In this video, I'll show you how to get TikTok Shop in Australia and start using it on your TikTok account. TikTok Shop is a feature that allows creators and businesses to sell products directly through TikTok. It lets users display products, tag items in videos, and manage sales using built-in seller tools. This helps sellers promote products and handle orders without leaving the TikTok platform. However, TikTok Shop is not available in every country, and even in regions like Australia, access can vary from one account to another. Some users may have full access, while others may notice limited functionality. When browsing through TikTok, you might come across an option labeled Sell on TikTok Shop. Seeing this option can make it seem like TikTok Shop is fully enabled. But in some cases, clicking on it may not open a complete seller dashboard, or certain sections may not load properly. This happens because TikTok uses regional and account-level checks to decide who can access seller tools. The platform reviews factors like location, account eligibility, and connection before allowing full access. As a result, even if the shop option appears, some features may still be unavailable. This is why many users in Australia experience partial access to TikTok Shop and cannot fully manage seller features. These checks help TikTok keep its marketplace secure and ensure compliance with platform policies. When using TikTok Shop, having a stable and secure internet connection is very important. A reliable connection helps prevent loading issues, errors, and interruptions while accessing seller tools. Connection instability can sometimes cause pages to load slowly or fail altogether. Using a VPN can help add an extra layer of privacy and security to your connection. A VPN helps keep your online activity protected and supports a more consistent browsing experience when using region-limited features. NordVPN is a trusted option that offers strong security, fast speeds, and reliable performance across different regions. It helps protect your connection and provides a smoother and safer experience while exploring TikTok Shop features. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.